Hey everybody, this is the Wargaming guy. Welcome back to my playthrough of Strategic Command, World War II, World at War, Axis High Tide. And if you've been following along, you know it is August 26, 1943. The Allies have just managed a landing here, and that's MacArthur, good old Mighty Mac. Just supply of strength of 10, supply of 6. Okay. And there's been a big naval battle here. We have dealt out some losses, and we have also taken losses. So we'll see how this goes. And there is one more thing I wanted to check before I go, and that's this. Because if I'm right, I'm right. Oh, yes, my friends, I'm right. That will keep the partisan out of there. And I'll just bet you we have somebody hanging out somewhere like you. Is it dangerous to take my guy out of Berlin? Can I even afford to move him? I can. Okay. Maybe there's somebody else hanging out somewhere. Okay, there's partisans there. Wow, that's a lot of partisans. But that's Yugoslavia for you. But Sofia doesn't have anybody. Anybody anywhere near them, actually. So I think you're going to be the one that gets to go. An all-expense-paid trip to the beautiful Caucasus. Why can't you get down there? Oh, that's weird. I thought he would have just zipped right in. I guess not. All right, we'll put you there for next turn. We're covered for this turn, so let's see what the AI does. And so help me, if a partisan pops up there, I'm not going to be happy. Okay. The seas, of course. Of course, I'm always hit by rough seas. Hey. Level 3, it's about time. We should be higher than that. Well, I'd like us to be higher than that. I think historically, we're a little behind the curve, not too far. But we're going to have to invest in more next turn. So, this is a thrilling picture. Here we go. Okay, good. Not good if I lose my sub, mind you, but good they're pulling back a little bit because of the threat to the carrier. Yeah. Come on, dive. Thank you. Oh, boy. Is that him? Well, you can't really tell, can you? Oh, man, I'm in trouble. Whew. Good work. Good luck, or whatever it was. The question is, where did that carrier go after moving up that far? He should have had some movement left. How much? Oh, there he goes. Who knows? MacArthur, you booger. I knew that was going to happen. Dang nabbit. Well, Mac is going to get his own if things work right here. Okay. Really? There's... So frustrating, especially when guys in pockets get reinforced. I mean, a little bit, but when it's like major, it just irks me to no end, to be honest with you. Are they starting to probe the channel? That would not be good because we're not ready for it. By any stretch of the imaginations, we're not ready for an invasion. Hit him. Ooh, nice shot. Oh, you took a hit too. Dog nabbit, dag nabbit, whatever. They're doing a lot of scouting with their navies. Yeah, there's not much up there, buddy. Oops. Dive. Thank you. No. Not a big help. Here we go. Bam. Nice. Get them, boys. Chew them up. Oh, look at that. I have never seen that move before. That's interesting. Good. Oh boy, here come the Americans. But here comes the mighty Italian. Ooh, look at that. A carrier right off the coast of Sicily. How come we didn't see that before? That's weird. I think they may be getting real close to hitting Sicily. which would put them not too far behind. And I'm sorry I'm clearing my throat so much. I'll try not to do that. I know it's really annoying to listen to, so pardon. Come on. There you go. Oh, 1 MPB for Italy. Wow. Meanwhile, the mighty artillery, the Afrika Korps artillery, stands firm against the British. A British army, nonetheless, my friends. Will they find their courage and attack the mighty artillery of the Afrika? No! Ah! Oh, that hurt. They are attacking. Fight back, boys. Hurt them. Yes! Look at that! Now it's working for... Oh, boy. He's going to die. No! No! Don't die, don't die. Whew. Man, I got to reinforce him for sure. For sure, dude. Oh. Man. You know, we're not doing too bad in Russia, but it's tight. It's really tight. Oh, crud. An 11? Yeah, no wonder. Oh. Man, this guy's getting his butt kicked. Oh, come on. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull. Now he pulls back after giving me a heart attack. Thanks. Yeah, I was going to buy some more units this turn, but now I'm not so sure. The Russians are really turning up the heat here. Are they? Ugh, down to 4, and I can't reinforce him there. At least I couldn't last turn. Oh, no. I want to kill that thing so bad. I hate those things. The AIs seem to be a lot sturdier than mine. That's just my impression, of course. Not to say that the AI would cheat. Perish forbid. Why, such a thing could never be. Meanwhile... Well, it's been a tough turn on the ground. Now, dude, there's no way he can supply himself there. There is no way. We got to kill these guys, these Chinese units, so we can push through here and just get all these troops sitting around here doing nothing. Hopefully, I mean, they reinforced them, but hopefully their morale sucks and their readiness is down. Maybe we can get rid of them. One, if not both. Well, good, because he should. Helsinki's open. Yeah, Turkey keeps noting this and doing absolutely nothing, so Turkey. And I don't have the MPPs to lean on them diplomatically, I don't think. Oh, wow, that's good to know. Okay. Yep. Oh. A cavalry division. All right. There we go. Now, where do we start? Where do we start? We've got so many things. This guy's got to get reinforced. See, now I could push into their rear and actually, well, they can still get supplied this way. Or I can come over. I can't even come over there. Ah! Okay. Rats. Why do we have somebody in Modlin? I must have just put him there. I'm going to get somebody to come over here and take, get into Helsinki. But for the moment, because this guy's going to keep pushing no matter what. Oof. There, at least something will be there. I can't obviously attack with him if I move him. So we're just going to reinforce here, and it's going to have to do our best to get down there. Wait. Oh, shoot. I should have operated him. Where's my brain? Who knows? Don't ask. How many points do I have? 707. I'm going to eat through those in a hurry. Let's see. Yes. Bam. Let's kill this guy if we can. Well, that was completely unimpressive. Wasn't much better. There we go. Ooh. He's got some movement points left. I don't want you up there on the front line. I should have reinforced him now next turn. Yay, we killed him! All right, so that means I can reinforce you. Boy, down here we got to do something. And we're going to. Well, first of all, obviously. Wait. Upgrade? Yeah, I'm going to actually upgrade and hope that he doesn't get hit this turn. It's his upgrade. No. We'll skip that for the moment. You're too weak. Anything could kill you off with 1 point. It's like, no way. Since that's the one I could reach, that's the one I'll attack. How's that? For irrefutable logic. Oh, beautiful. Die, sucker! Really? He can't move. Well, he can. That's heavier than I want. But do I have anybody else that can do anything? Nope. You certainly can't. So, I'll take that deal. Ah, man. We're going to have to pull you back too then. Hope for the best here, actually. I know it's stupid, crazy, and insane, but you know, I don't think they're going to be able to hurt him. So, oh yes, reinforcement time here. Let's just cut. What is this guy? Who is he that? Ah, it's raining. Curses. There we go. We'll hurt him that way. Oh, beautiful. All right, Romanians, go get him. Yes. Beautiful. Can't get up there. We'll come up here. Leave that be. You. Can I transport you now? Should have just... I can't get him there. What? Ah, it's frustrating. I'll march him there. It's not going to hurt. Oh, boy. All right, I hurt him a little bit. Ah, that's disappointing. Let's try this. There we go. Ouch. Nice. All right. This guy's entrenched at 3. His morale is good. His supply is amazing. How does he get good supply like that? What's my supply? It's awful and horrible and terrible in that order. We're going to have to kill this guy. I think we can do that without you. So, von Manstein, I'm going to bring you over here. I'm going to bring you down here to supply this. Meanwhile, this guy... Oh, now we're talking. I don't understand this. I know this is fine. We'll come over here. It's still 1. How is that possible? Who knows? Germans are... Whoa, the Germans are way down. And we got to check our research. Because, yeah, got to do tanks. There's no choice for the Germans on that, in my opinion. So what have I got left? Because I got to start filling up the West. Oh, good. I've got some half-price ones. The Walmart of Men is open. Tight. Fine. And that's it for the Germans, right? What's my production look like? Yeah. So, if I send all these guys to the West, that's going to help the West out a lot. It's going to be hard to do it, though. Speaking of guys, we've got 13th Waffen Special Forces. Where do we want them to go? Or do we actually want to move you? How much is this? I can't operate him because I spent too much. Brilliant move on my part. Thank you. Mention that in the comments. You know, I think actually we're doing pretty good here, so I think I'm just going to bring him up here to watch this little place. And I can't do you. You, I wish I could do something with. I probably could. Oh. Really? I thought I would do a lot better than that. Yeah, you're dug in. I'm not moving you. Can't reinforce anybody. He's probably going to draw a crowd. Well, we'll just move you along. So that's all I can do there. Down here. Really? Ooh. We will definitely take that. You can be upgraded too. You're in pretty good shape, actually. What if that carrier's still there? God, doesn't matter. It's raining. Duh. Curse the weather. No, I can't do anything with you guys. But I can hurt them. Boom! Look at that. Look at that. What's his morale's 4. Oh, man, his supply is 6. His morale's 43. His readiness is 65. My supply is 1. I'm entrenched 1. My morale is 1, and my readiness is 16. And I'm killing him. That's awesome. Okay, before we leave, Italy. What does Italy need? Italy probably needs some manpower if we can manage. Oh, I can't. I don't want more garrisons. All right, we'll just have to wait. Which brings us to, yeah, we did that. So here we go. Now this guy, come on. What is the deal here? 5. How the bleep is he at 5? Oh, man, I don't want to lose my entrenchments. I can't get there. Can you get? No. Well, you can get there. 4. He needs to be reinforced in the worst way. They actually left that. I can't enter it. What? That's such a pain in my Let's pull back here. Let's threaten them on this side and see what they do, if they do anything. I thought a minute ago I could get him there. Apparently I was hallucinating or something. Yeah, that's wide open now. Phew, that's not good. Well, I hate to do it, but I'm going to. Doggone it. Oh, I forgot about you. Shoot. Move my interceptors. Ouch. So now his supply should drop considerably by next turn now that we've done this to him. I would think. It still shows him at 5. Oh, wrong key. Sorry. Okay. Jeez. All right. Now, let's see. Let's come over here. Oh. Dagnabbit. Cannot find him. I found you. By the way, are you... rain. Curse the rain. I curse the rain. Oh, that's not working out good. However, is it raining? It's not raining here, is it? Good. Oh, that's my it's my light carrier. Let's get this guy over here. Twice. Now, why can't... So now I got to retreat, I guess, to get him in a place where he can do something. Great. Just what I didn't want. I would love to pull him over, but I'm afraid that leaves him too exposed. All right, we're just going to charge down here. Let's see what we can find. Nothing. So the carrier... Well, he could be anywhere out here. Yeah. All right. You. Transport. Can't get there. We're going to bring you in right here. There we go. So we'll start to close in on them. I wish I had another sub. Wish I had a lot of things that I don't have at the moment. But what we've got is what we've got, so... Problem is, the carrier's down here. I can't hit him because he's in the rain, and this guy's also in rain. There. Ah! Got him. Morale's pretty good. You, my friend, are going to die. I hope. Darn, he's retreating in the right direction, though, which is not what we want. Oh, come on! That's better. Nice. Well, that's better than the other way they were retreating. Man, I'm running out of capital ships here. No! What do we got left? Well, you. Hello. You bombed me. I'm going to blow you to pieces. Maybe not pieces, but I'm going to actually hurt myself in the process. Because that's the way this game works. Nice. Good job. Come on. Oh, so close, but yet so far. Do we have anybody left with any strikes? Nothing? Ah, come on, man. Now I wish I hadn't put my sub down here. Doggone it. Ah, that's frustrating. That is so frustrating. Here, let's get you over here. They're supply. You're okay. Put you in here. Put you in here. Ah, man, you don't get that many chances of carriers. And I blew it. Rats. Well, it's going to cost him a lot to fix that. That's for sure. Here's what I need. I need an HQ on this end of the island, so move it. What, you can't reach? What? Wait. Oh, seriously. All right. Get you close anyway. And that'll help over here so we can crush these guys. Special forces. I wonder if they're Marine or just Rangers. I don't know. Dang, I'm disappointed. I am disappointed. Okay. There's not much else we can do. Bomb that just for kids. That wasn't a bright idea. Everything up here seems okay. I don't trust the Allies. With good reason, apparently. Oh, and you know what? I didn't upgrade any of my German tanks, did I? Dang, man, I need more supplies, people. Oh, there's a sub there. Can't quite reach it. Can't reach you either. Okay. Well, that's good to know. All right, as far as purchase goes for the Japanese, how long does this take? It takes almost a year. It takes more than a year. Oh, boy. What about... That's closer. I need destroyers, too, but what's my production line? Ugh. Oh, I got more carriers coming. Don't really need any more of those. All right, we're going to go with the battleship. And that leaves me with nothing. I'm not buying any mortar torpedo boats, so okay. So let's look at research for Japan. Naval weaponry, long-range aircraft. I've got 106, so I really probably can't do hardly anything. Logistics, maybe. I don't really know how important that is. Increases the build limit for HQs and all types of transports by 1 per level. Reduces operational movement and regular transport costs by 10%. All right. What the heck? Okay. So, well, first, let's look at some reports here. Japanese Navy. I've got 18. The U.S. Italy has 2. Germans have, whatever. The U.S. 27 and the Brits 33. Eesh. As far as armies go, wow, the Germans 103. We've got 78. The Russians have 74, and the Americans and the Brits both have 56. So China's 33, India 15. Whoa. And Italy 20. Yay, Italy. Okay, so, okay. But that's really not what I want to look at. I want to look at morale. Britain's pretty much the same. France doesn't count. States down slightly. Still really good. Look at, whoa, the Russians are at 43%. Nice. China, on the other hand, straight up 56. And Axis, 81. You'd think the Axis at morale would be a little higher there, maybe. 55 for the Italians. Okay, so the Japanese are 95, so we're good. All right, I think that's going to do it for this time. Oh wait, China. I almost forgot China. Holy smokes, I'm losing my mind. This is a naval flotilla medium bomber. Maybe I need to. Do I have any here? Do I have any points? I can't operate it. I could fly it somewhere though, and get it down there that way. Let's try that. All right. You, on the other hand, still at 0. Let's see if we can lower their morale a little bit. Ooh. Okay, you lead the way. And you follow up here. Awesome. Yes. Should have attacked first. Oh well. Can't get there. Nice. Now they're in that stupid town, so they've got... Ah, beautiful. We've got the town now. Now you're talking. Stay there, I guess. Don't attack there. So we actually, no, we can't get you there. We can pull you over here. Let's do that. So now if we could push along here, which may force them to deploy more troops and kind of flank chunking a little, that might be a helpful thing. Oh, I haven't got any MPPs left, so nobody's going to get reinforced this turn, boys. May not need it. Really? Thought you might do better. Let's switch. Come on, get... rats. Well, every little bit we... Oh, you're not getting reinforced, are you? No, you're not. However... Oh, crap, I made a mistake there, didn't I? Yeah, I got too wrapped up in the battles. Oh, well. Hopefully they'll survive. Are they dug in at all? Yeah, they're entrenched pretty well, so we're just going to have to hope they can hang on because there's nothing I can do for them now. And everything up here is pretty much the usual. This, I was hoping we could get rid of quicker. I forgot to attack there, didn't I? Oh, that was the last attack? Okay. And you're there to come down, so this guy's just about had it. All right, I think we're in fairly good shape for the shape we're in, sort of a thing. So that'll do it for now. This is the Wargaming guy saying thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you think. Take care, and I will see you later.